These five herbs help eliminate stress. Join me, guys, up until end, and let's all find out what are these five herbs. Let's go. Feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or just mentally drained? You're not alone. In today's fast paced world, stress has become a part of our daily lives. But it doesn't have to control us. Nature offers powerful remedies that can calm your mind and restore your balance. In this video, we're revealing five amazing herbs that can help eliminate stress and bring peace back into your life naturally and effectively. Let's dive in. Here are five powerful herbs that are known to help eliminate or reduce stress naturally. The top one herb that eliminates stress: ashwagandha. Ashwagandha, a famous adaptogen used in Ayurvedic medicine. It helps lower cortisol, the stress hormone, reduce anxiety, and improve sleep quality. The second herb that eliminates stress: holy basil or tulsi. Also from Ayurveda, tulsi helps calm the mind, reduce mental fog, and support the adrenal glands during stressful periods. The third herb that helps eliminate stress: lemon balm. Lemon balm, known for its calming effects. Lemon balm can help reduce anxiety, promote better sleep, and ease nervous tension. The fourth herb that help eliminate stress, rhodiola, rosso. This herb boosts resilience to physical and mental stress, supports energy levels, and improves mood and focus under pressure. The fifth powerful herb that help eliminate stress, chamomile. Chamomile, widely used as a tea. Chamomile is effective for calming nerves, reducing anxiety, and promoting restful sleep. Before we jump into the list, remember stress relief doesn't always come in a pill. These herbs have been trusted for centuries in traditional medicine, and science is now backing up their powerful effects. Whether you're dealing with everyday tension or long term anxiety, adding these natural remedies to your routine could make a big difference. Let's take a closer look at each one and how it works. And there you have it. Five incredible herbs that can naturally help reduce stress and bring more calm into your life. Remember, small changes can lead to big results, especially when it comes to your well being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Stay calm, stay healthy, and take care of yourself because you deserve peace of mind every day. See you in the next one. stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Ethel Allera here is signing off.